Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, your Irvine Posture and Wellness Clinic. Let's talk about postural neurology and balances. So this video is all about that, so stay tuned. So one of the things I do when I examine the patient for postural neurology, which is essentially every patient I see, has to do with the vestibular portion of your hearing nerve. So yes, your hearing nerve does two separate things. One is for hearing, the other one is for balancing. When there is a weakness in the balancing component of your hearing nerve, called vestibular portion of your auditory nerve, in case you wanted to get geeky there, this only comes when I examine the patient and it's weak. We need to do what's called positive neuroplasticity. That means positively activate the weak so it becomes strong. So one of the things that I do in my practice, and I encourage my patients to continue doing at home, has to do with a ball. I really like racquetball more than a tennis ball for multiple reasons, one of which has to do with the fact that I can use it for other exercises that are related to postural neurology. So it's a very simple test, or very simple exercise actually, without you needing a partner necessarily, though it would be nice if you could. So all you have to do is just drop the ball, and I really like, at the beginning you don't have to bend down, but that's more complex version of this exercise, which involves postural neurology and functional movement. In other words, holding your forms correctly as you activate your brain when it comes to balancing, that vestibular portion. So all you have to do is you just drop this and catch it, and then you drop and catch it, or drop with this and catch it. Obviously mine was weak. No, that was just my head went over here, or something like that. So you drop with this and catch with that. Bingo, I got it. So you drop it and catch it with this, just like that. Now I'm afraid to do the next one. Let me go hunt for the other one. So then the next one, this next move, and I don't suggest that you do this like the next day or on the same day. Just do it a few times, and maybe even mix and match type of situation, where I'm gonna throw this at Desiree and then throw this one at Desiree. So you drop it, put it on the ground. And I'm gonna catch it, I'm gonna do this. Go ahead and send. So it's a little bit more complex. We go back and forth. So that obviously I didn't get so well, but you get the point. Maybe I should have practiced this before doing it. Maybe I need to do positive neuroplasticity on my vestibular nerve myself. But the point here is, yes, I'm not perfect, but anyway, the point here is you need to practice that to strengthen the weak portion of your vestibular nerve, which is heavily involved in your balancing. Anyway, hope that this helped. Week one. Hope that this helped. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, this is a great time to do so. Make sure you check out my website and all the different things we do at the clinic. And until next time, take care.